The International Energy Agency has stated that it is critical that we hit net zero by 2050. The report describes a net zero pathway that requires the immediate and massive deployment of all available clean and efficient energy technologies. Zhyphen is determined to play its part in this unprecedented challenge. Zhyphen energy storage systems allow for the efficient harnessing of solar, wind, or grid-generated electricity to be used at times when needed to reduce carbon emissions and save money. After 2 years of in-house R&D, we have developed, tested, and successfully marketed a range of products. This includes the Zhyphen Instant Grid, designed to allow energy access to remote off-grid communities in Africa, or to replace diesel generators in Europe or North America. Since 2018, we have exported our technology to Malawi, Gambia, Kenya, Zambia, Tanzania, and have recently finished a £300,000 government-funded project for a medical clinic in Nigeria. We have also installed our first UK instant grid system into a residential special needs facility in Ayr, Scotland in November 2020. Zhyphen also manufactures grid-tied or hybrid interactive energy storage for domestic applications in either internal or IP-rated external enclosures, for the social housing market or residential homeowner, or for commercial use. The residential energy storage market is projected to reach $17.5 billion by 2024. In the summer of 2021, we aim to launch our EV charging hub, the Zhyphen Evolution. This hub, with an integrated solar storage system, allows for the installation of fast EV charging stations in sites that would normally require a prohibitively expensive grid connection upgrade or where local transformers are maxed out. We expect there are significant numbers of EV charging point manufacturers or installers worldwide who have aborted installations due to these grid issues. The electric vehicle charging station market in 2019 was approximately $9.24 billion. The market is expected to grow at the rate of 33% and is anticipated to reach around $70 billion by 2026. Zhyphen is determined to alleviate energy poverty and help the world reach net zero carbon by 2050.